Welcome back to Hoeology University. I'm Professor Lava Foxx. In our last lesson, you learned that pressure reveals who people really are. Today, we take it a step further. We talk about emotional control under pressure. Because pressure doesn't just test your situation, it tests your emotions. And most people fail right here. They react too fast. They speak too soon. They let temporary feelings create permanent consequences. Let me make something clear. If someone can control your emotions, they can control your decisions. And if they can control your decisions, they can control your outcomes. That is why emotional discipline is power. Not silence, not weakness, control. In high-pressure moments, your first reaction is rarely your best one. It is usually emotional, and emotional decisions are expensive. They cost you opportunities, respect, and sometimes your position. In Hoeology by Famous, we train you to pause, to observe, to think before you respond. Because the person who reacts first usually loses leverage. The person who stays calm gains control. So when pressure hits, I want you to ask yourself one question. Am I reacting or am I responding? Because reacting is emotional, responding is strategic, and strategy is where power lives. That is lesson 2, emotional control under pressure. Class continues.